Hey everyone, Desiree here. I'm really excited to open up some happy mail. I apologize if the lighting is kind of off. It's nighttime here, so I'm having to rely on my artificial lighting as opposed to the normal daylight that I use when I do a video. But I just got my Simply Gilded October box and I'm really excited. And I wanted to open it and I wanted to share it with all of you. So that's why I'm filming this video now instead of waiting until the daytime. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Now this is my second Simply Gilded box with the subscription. I signed up for the subscription for the September box. And I didn't do an unboxing of that because I got it kind of late and I figured everyone had already seen it. But this box I just got today. So this is the first box I received that is actually on the proper delivery schedule with the subscription. When I got the September box, I purchased it, I think the end... Oh no, I purchased it the beginning of October and then they shipped it to me like 2 or 3 days later. So anyways, let's go ahead and get right into this. Now I apologize if there is any glare, but the theme of this box is folktale. And I really do love the colors of this box. However, I'm not super excited about the artwork, but I do think it's pretty. And I love black anything. Like I'm really into the black journals, the black paper. So I knew that I would enjoy the colors of this box, even though I'm not 100% a fan of the artwork. So you can see it's kind of thick. And this color is like, it's showing up blue on camera, but it's actually a very vibrant purple. And then this is the back here. Imagine, create, live your story. Now, I'm kind of new to the Simply Gilded, I guess, family. And so I just started using the Simply Gilded washi tape. And I got a sample or a roll at Go Wild. And so once I tried it, like that was my first time ever trying it. And once I tried it, I really, really did see what all the hype was about. Now I know there's a mystery item in here, and so I don't want to ruin that for anyone. Oh, and I think I see what it is. So I will show that at the end in case some people don't want spoilers. Okay, so here's the box. You kind of get like a little information card. I'll try and not get the glare on there. Tells you what you have in here: journaling card, washi tapes, sticky notes, pouch, sticker sheet and seals, jelly roll pen, vellum and acetate mini sheets, dot grid blackout journal, engraved black gel ink pen, and the mystery item. So let's start. Look at how nice this is. Okay, this is the black heart-shaped sticky notes. And I'm really excited about these. I can't wait to use them. Like I said, because I'm totally into the black paper. Oh, very nice. It is kind of thin, but it's okay. I'm still going to make this work. So look how cute that is. That'll be really fun to use in my journals and in my planner. Then we have, this is the journaling card. Now again, I'm not exactly a fan of the artwork, but I love the colors. Then you have a B6 insert. And if you saw Irene's video, she did a flip through on this. I think it's a dot grid notebook. So it's really thin compared to the inserts I use, but I'll make it work. Ooh, and this is the acetate and vellum. This is what I was really excited about too. Ooh. Okay, so it's folded in half. This is nice. I can't wait to use this. It's got the gold hearts, or gold bows. Really, really nice. Very, very pretty. And I'm hoping you can see the color and the foiling on that. And then this is the acetate. So this has gold foil on one side, and then the other side has the silver. Oops. So definitely we'll be putting that in my TN. And then we have the stickers here. Now I know I've said it. I love the colors. I don't like the artwork. But, you know, I'll use it for sure. So let's take a look at this. Oh, I forgot. We still have the washi tape. So this stickers also have gold foil. Very, very pretty. Now, I do really like these stickers. The only thing is I used last month's to decorate a spread in my planner, and I like a no white space planning style. So my only thing is I don't get enough stickers to do no white space planning with this. However, you can still make it work, and these stickers are so beautiful that, you know, I just, you know, I found a way to kind of get a whole week's spread on there, but that's really nice. Okay, so let's get into the washi tape. Now you do have this really nice quilted pouch that you can use for obviously supplies, makeup, whatevs. Ooh, look at this, you guys. I didn't know it was pink foil. Okay. Look at how pretty. Okay, so it's pink foil with white bows, and I hope my camera is picking that up. And then you have the two sizes. Then you have, oh, look at this. Okay, this one is, I guess, the peacock design that's on the stickers and the journal. And then these two, oh, I think this is the same thing as this, just a different size. Oh no, they're different. Okay. So I'm not going to open these yet because I like to keep them wrapped until I actually use them, so that way I know whether or not I used it, or if I don't like it, you know, if I decide to sell it. Just being honest. But these are nice. I really like this one, but I don't like fat washi. And then this one I'm not really feeling. But this one's pretty. Okay, so those are the washis. Then we also have two pens. Now I love Jelly Roll pens. I've used them for years. So I'm very familiar with these pens and how they write. And then you also have a gel pen, and this one is black enamel with the gold bows. Very, very cute. And I think she has refills for these pens. All right, so now I'm going to show the mystery items. So if you are not wanting to see the mystery item, go ahead and click out the video. Thank you so much for watching. And I will definitely see you in the next one. Okay, if you are interested in seeing the mystery item, let's go ahead and take a look-see. And here it is. It is a cute little bunny pin. Which is cute. I'm not sure if, I don't really use pins, but I may find some place to stick this little thing. It's more, this seems more Easter themed to me, but it's very cute, you know, and it's a nice little bonus. It's a nice little bonus in the kit considering you get so much. So that is my Simply Gilded October unboxing. And for the price, I think this is a pretty good deal. You know, for $29 you get all this stuff. And then of course you can, you know, reuse this cute little box. Okay, so if you have any questions about anything, feel free to drop those down in the comments below. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, do you get the Simply Gilded subscription box? What are your thoughts? I've been hearing kind of mixed opinions lately. I'm going to try it probably until the end of the year and then make a decision if I'll continue in January or not. But so far, I've been really impressed and I haven't been, you know, too disappointed. I really like everything that's in it. Okay, everyone, thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.